152,579. This thing starts right up. I'm familiar with the truck. It has ARP head studs on it. It has been pretty much rebuilt. It does have a crack in the windshield. We won't fix that. This is an 04 with a 6.0 liter. Pulled an RV part of its life. Fairly decent tires. All the parts that have been replaced on this 6.0, I have receipts for, and will let go with the vehicle. And it's also my brother-in-law's truck. So anytime you would have any issues or anything, you could call me and I could help you out with it. I can get you, it's an FX4 4-wheel drive. This is gonna be right in there, probably where you wanna be. Diesel, lots of power, not a lot of hail damage. There is a little bit. It is an older truck. Interior,